and a disciplinary action must actually happen. But we further engage council in a process to get senior officials to also be accountable. Because one thing that we cannot allow, that we have a revenue leakage of over 2.5 billion rands, and senior officials are not accountable. 2.5 billion rand. It cannot just be a mere administrator and a mere official. Where was management when this thing was happening? Now, that is the call that we're actually now putting forward after we've taken and tabled, the report. And we feel that some of these councillors now are being mobilized by some of these senior officials that we want them to account. They mobilize them because they mobilize them on the basis of interest. No, we'll do this for you, we'll do that for you. Therefore, if you can check it, even these parties that are, pushing, some of, check there, who are they? Check the one that is pushing, who is he? What is his history with Ekurhuleni? He was once suspended for wrong things. We have not asked as council when he came back, how far did you go on your suspension for World Cup 2010? If you remember very well, the World Cup 2010 shenanigans, the Huddersfield Stadium and all that. We have not done that. And it is because, we try and build peace and believe that people, they've moved beyond, they want to add to the development of the city. But we do not want to go there. We want